Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Pathfinder gas tank, updated. First, locate the fuel door release inside the driver's side lower dash or check for an exterior latch at the rear fender and pull gently. If the door feels stuck, press the unlock button on the key fob and try again. Be calm and deliberate, and keep your hands clean to avoid smudging paint or scratching trim. Use a steady, confident motion when pulling the interior lever until you hear the click, then walk to the fuel door and open it gently with one hand. If your model uses a push-to-open exterior latch, press firmly once and lift the door. Turn the fuel cap counterclockwise until it releases, then set it aside on a clean surface. Replace and tighten the cap until it clicks before closing the door. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future guides and tips. It really helps. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a pleasant scent while you refuel or park. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing one if you like fresh interiors. Now let's get back to the video. If the fuel door won't open, try unlocking the vehicle with the key fob and attempt the release again, as electronic locks sometimes need a reset. For a sticky hinge, clear dirt or spray a small amount of lubricant and operate the door a few times. If the interior release still does nothing, check the appropriate fuse or consult the owner manual for guidance, and consider professional help for complex electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.